What I'm going to show you is an example of a microexpression. And a microexpression is an indicator that someone might not be telling the truth. It's not for certain, but it's an indicator, it's a red flag, and you want to examine it further. A microexpression is a facial expression that lasts for a very short amount of time, about a quarter of a second to a half a second. A normal facial expression happens for about 2 to 3 seconds, so it's much shorter. And what you typically see is something that is out of the ordinary for the person. When there is distress about telling a lie, the person is afraid to get caught, you may see an actual distress signal. In the video I'm going to show you, this distress signal comes out. And what happens is the inside corner of the eyebrows go up. That's the distress signal. And the result that you see as an observer are lines in the forehead that form very quickly. So I'm going to play this video and then I'll point out what happens. And you're not going to hear the audio, but you will see the words that Bill Clinton is saying come up, and I will say them as well. So here we go. I did not have sexual relations with that woman. Okay. I don't know if you caught the eyebrows going up. There's the line. I'm going to go back just a little bit so we can see if we can catch the eyebrows. Here we go. Yeah, I did not have sexual relations with that. There it is. Okay. Eyebrows up on the inside. Distress expression causing these lines in the forehead. That's the leakage of the lie. He's trying very hard with his other expressions, his verbal words. I'm trying to be very clear. I'm going to say this again. I did not have sexual expressions with that. I did not have sexual relations with that woman. Notice him distancing himself. He doesn't use her name, that woman, he says. But what gives it away is the microexpression here.